Hello there! Did you know that you can use styles to highlight cards on your Kanban board according to preset rules? This is just one of the impressive features of Kanban Board Pro by Virto. Let's see how to use it. Take a look at the cards on this Kanban board. By default, overdue tasks have a red border on the left, and the tasks with high priority have a blue border. To change this, open the board settings and switch to the Card Setup tab. Here you can find the Styles block with the card rules. These 4 rules are active on every Kanban board by default. Overdue. Due date is less than 2 days, high priority, and low priority. The rules define the color for the border and task outline, that is, the frame. Let's change the default rule to add a red frame to overdue tasks. Click Save to apply the new settings. Now you can see the red outline for overdue tasks. Return to the card settings. You can reset the rules to their default settings by clicking Reset, or disable any rules you don't need. Click the Add Style Rule button to create custom rules. Specify the name for the new rule. Choose colors for the border and outline. And add the condition. For example, here we want to highlight tasks assigned to Megan. One thing to note, if you create multiple style rules and a task matches more than one rule, only the first rule will be applied. Drag the rules to change the priority order. Remember to save the settings. Check out the result. Tasks assigned to Megan are highlighted in yellow. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and be on the lookout for our new videos.